I am so pleased to announce that the Green Oil Massive Rush has been funded. Thank you so much for supporting our Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign. It's been a really tough year here in the bike industry. Our wholesaler, iRide, went bankrupt, owing Green Oil thousands of pounds. That's why we had to turn to crowdfunding. Now, whilst the Indiegogo campaign didn't reach its official target, we did get a lot of the way there, which is great. And that plus a really great 2 months of sales mean that we can now make the Green Oil Massive Rush, which means a future with fewer microplastics with its plant-based bristles and its full wood construction handle. And this is a great step forward for greening the bike industry, as well as we'll be using prevented ocean plastics now for our Green Oil wet chain loop bottle. This is plastic from communities by rivers and the ocean where waste would otherwise enter the ocean and rivers. So this is prevented ocean plastics for our wet chain loop and 100ml bottles, and our plastic-free Green Oil Massive Rush will now be produced thanks to your help. Even if you didn't pledge and you just liked or shared one of our videos, this is massively appreciated for a greener cycling future. Now, when I started Green Oil over a decade ago, all of our competitors were using petrochemicals in their lubricant formulas. The vast majority were using PTFE with its carcinogenic supply chain. And this is something that people will look back on in 5-10 years and think that was absolute madness. I'm really pleased with the work done here at Green Oil to reduce that petrochemical and PFAS pollution for a greener, healthier planet. And the environmental movement has done a huge amount in the last 10 years. Think about it, we're living in this future where petrochemicals are becoming less acceptable. We have electric cars, renewable energy is forming a huge proportion of energy production in the world. And that's something we should all be grateful for. Now, thank you so much for funding this with our Indiegogo campaign, the Green Oil Massive Rush. Production should be taking place next month, that's March 2025. And if you have pledged, it should be landing on your doorstep in late March, so next month. If you did miss out on our Indiegogo campaign, you can still pre-order the Green Oil Massive Rush through our website, green-oil.net. And that's also where you'll be able to order the Green Oil wet chain loop in prevented ocean plastics very soon. So thank you so much for your help. It's been a really tough year in the bike industry and things are definitely on the up. More people are cycling, there's more stuff in the news about the link between obesity and poor health, and we all know that cycling is a solution to human good health and a solution to a greener planet and country. So thank you so much, and this is a great day of celebration. Thank you so much for your help.